Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Wait for a second. Are you hearing my voice?
Breaking, ma'am.
Something went wrong. Wait for a second. Okay. So now you can see the screen. Yes, all of you seeing a screen? All of you seeing a screen whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm saying about charging a body in a 3 methods. So one, we can charge a body by friction. So first method is what? Charging by friction. Clear? So in the charging by friction, friction is nothing but a rubbing of two bodies or rubbing of two objects. So here we are rubbing these two objects each other. So therefore the energy generates in between them. So that energy is responsible for removing of an electron or gaining of an electron to one or other body. Clear? So due to of that, so one of the body is gains a charge and other body is loses a charge. Whichever it is losing of charged body, gaining of an electron, that body becomes as a negatively charged. Clear? So this is the one of the method to make a body or anything as get charged. Clear? So suppose if you just take a two iron rods, you just rub each other, so then you can keep it at one place or keep it at some place, it will get attract. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ? ಅಥವಾ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೆನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಊಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಅಥವಾ ಉಲೆನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪೀಸಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪೀಸಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಓವರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೆನ್. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪೆನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಪೆನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಐರನ್ದಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪೆನ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಯಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ ಪೆನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲಿರೋ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಎಸ್.
ಹಲೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್
ಎಸ್, ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದಪ್ಪ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಫುಲ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Maybe it's due to of cloudy and rainy season. Maybe it has a network is not fully here.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಹಂಗ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್.
What about others who are not hearing my voice clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Text it.
No, ma'am.
Text it. How
No,
many
ma'am.
of you not hearing my voice clearly?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Hearing. Okay. So I want to know whether my side problem or your side problem. I don't know. Hear my voice clearly now?
Yes, ma'am.
So try to sit in a network area, pa. So due to of that only you can't able to hear my voice clearly.
I am at rest, ma'am. ಮನೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
ಟವರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ರ. ಹಲೋ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಕೆಳಗೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
Hello everyone. So some of you not it's not clear means I can't do anything, pa.
Ma'am, change the app, ma'am, please, ma'am.
Huh? What?
Change the app, ma'am. App change, ma'am.
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನು ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. Not hearing clearly. Pooja, Harsha and some are they hearing clear? Change the app. Everyone needs to change the app, ma? Everyone needs to change the app. I think this was the clear. I have tried in a Zoom app also, but this is the easiest way to teach. In Zoom app, it doesn't have a facility of this. I have already gone through that. Okay, clear? I think your side is having some problem, pa. Please rectify it. Yes? Shall I continue? Shall I continue or stop it here only?
Continue, ma'am.
Okay, who are facing the problem, please rectify for the tomorrow's class, okay? So now adjust it today. Right. So now I'm saying that we have 3 types of charging. So again, I have to discuss this only. Charging by friction, charging by conduction, charging by induction. There are 3 methods. First one is a charging by friction. Charging by friction is nothing but a rubbing of 2 bodies. So it gains and charges over each of them. So that is nothing but here we have taken as a two bodies. On rubbing each other, energy is released. That energy is helpful for gaining a charge on one of the body and losing a charge on other body, depending on the properties of the material that we have used. So whichever the material, it is a tendency to give a electron, extra electron to the other body, that will have get as a positively charged body. So here A body is gaining a, it is losing the electrons from it, and B body, it is having a negative charges on that, means electrons, it is gaining an electrons. So here in a B body, electrons are more. On A body, protons are more. Clear? So this is for corresponding to B body. So here protons are more than electrons. So that's why A bodies get charged as a positively charged. Clear? Clear? ನೀವು ಕೈನ ಎರಡೂ ಕೈನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ರಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೀಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Here the energy, the friction is that friction is converted into as what here? Here heat. The same way, when you are taking a two bodies, whether it is a conductors or any material, if we rub any two bodies, what happens? It gets charged. Clear? So there its energy released in the form of what? Electrical wave. So on rubbing of your palms, energy is released what? Heat. So many ways are there for energy formation. So here one of the method of rubbing of two conductors or two bodies, it produces a charges over them. So this method we call it as what? Charging by friction. Clear? Others stop discussing in the chat group. Okay, listen what I am saying first. Others stop chatting in the app. Just listen what I am saying. Okay, Rajesh, Rajesh, are you hearing my voice? Yes, Rajesh is not there. Rajesh,
Ma'am, not listening, ma'am.
not hearing. Then how you said this word? Without hearing, you said I am not hearing.
Means not completely, ma'am. Cutting your voice, ma'am. I'm not saying.
I am
Clear
also
cut,
not hearing your voice clearly. I think you are not in network coverage area. Understood what I said? Understood what I said?
ಮನೇಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೇಲೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತಿದೀಯಪ್ಪ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? ಫುಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆನಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈನ್ಸ್? ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆಗಿನ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಈ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಬಳಸಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಬಳಸಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡು, ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಮಾಡೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಯಾವುದು 100% ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನಾದ್ರೂ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಅಂತೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? So if you are facing any problem, leave that problem. You just try to understand it. So situation. So I'm trying to convey whatever matter it is there clearly. But if you are facing any problem is, please understand it and solve it yourself. Okay, so I'll continue with the next thing. So next it is a charging by conduction. So now charging by conduction means, suppose if I just take it an body, uncharged body, doesn't have any charge over it. So now I'm body, it has a charge over that as positive. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದೋಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ದೋಸ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಈ ಅನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿನ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ body. So by in contacting with a charged body, what happens? ನೀವೇನಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋ ಶಾಪ್ ಕಡೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಆಗ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ?
ಶಾಕ್ ಹೊಡಿತು.
ಅದು ಏನು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ಜನರಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ the charge is flowing through you. By what way? By in contact. ನೀವು ಮುಟ್ಟಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾಕ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾ, ಏನ್ ಮುಟ್ಟದೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಶಾಕ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾ? ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. Whenever the uncharged body is contact with a charged body, what happens? The charge it has on body is flows to the uncharged body. Clear? So due to in contact, ಹೆಂಗ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್? ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವೇ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ another body. Clear? So this process of sharing of charge from charged body to the uncharged body is called as charging by conduction. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So now we'll go for the charging by induction. So charging by induction, okay. So charging by induction that we are going for here, you can see the diagram here. Diagram ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Okay. Here in a, that is a diagram, it is seeing like what? It is a uncharged body, it doesn't have any charge over that. So next what I am doing is I am keeping an charged body nearby it, but I am not contacting to that uncharged body. Clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ನ ಬಿ ದಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಅನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿನ ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಅ ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಅ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಟು ದ ಅನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್, ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? ಇದು ಅನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರ ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರೋ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಥವಾ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರೋ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬಾಡಿ ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆಗ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವ. ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ it has a positive charge and negative charge. Okay, clear? So it has positive charge and negative charge. So now this whatever it has negative charged body, when it is keeping nearby to this uncharged body, it is attracting what? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ರಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ನ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ನ ರಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಪಲ್ಡ್, ಅನ್ಲೈಕ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಅನ್ಲೈಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ರಿಪಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ So here we have, you can see this diagram. Here negative charges are there. So therefore this negative charges is attracts the positive charges one side of the sphere. Can you notice it here? ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಈ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿಯಿಂದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಪೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆನ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ uncharged body. Clear? So next what happens by grounding? Grounding andre ಏನು meaning? Excess of charges releases to the earth. Okay, charged body ಇಂದ excess of charges ನ ನಾವು ground ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, earth ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So in the C diagram here it is in C, ground ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ excess of negative charges ಎಲ್ಲ ground ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿಯೋದೇನು? Only positive charges over that body. So now you can see the diagram D. D diagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು, only positive charges are present on the body. So that total positive charges, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇದೆ ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇದೇ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ so these positive charges are distributed over that sphere. Clear? Understood? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So here only the positive charges are spread over that body. So by this way, here you can notice that I am not rubbing the uncharged body and I am not in contact with that uncharged body with the charged body, even though that the charge is developed. Clear? ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ನಾನೇನು ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ರಬ್ಬು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿನ ಅನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಈವನ್ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಗೆಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್. ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟೂ ಅನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಅನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿಗೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So we can do it for two uncharged body. So here in this diagram you can notice A and B are the two uncharged bodies. So I am keeping what? I am keeping a positively charged body nearby A. So therefore it is positive. It attracts what? Negative charges from A. Right? It repels positive charges to the B side. So if I just removing this, what happens? These negative and positive charges are side by side. Understanding the diagram? So after separating these A and B, one of the A body is get charged by the negative charges, B body is get charged by the positive charges. So this method is called as a charging by induction. Charging by induction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಅನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಟ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಈವನ್ ದೋ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ದ ಅನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ process. Clear? So next go for the point charges. So in a point charges, if the size of charged bodies are very small, so point anta yavag consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? When we go for a small area. Understood? So when we are comparing a distance between those two, that area or size of the particle should be as smaller than the distance between those two, then it is called as a point charges. So suppose, so these are the 2 points, the distance is more compared to the point size, so then it is called as a point charge, right? Now these two are, can you see? Understanding Are you seeing what I'm drawing on this screen? Students? Students, are you
Yes, ma'am.
hearing? So on by
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
side by
Yes,
side.
ma'am.
Okay. Side by side, I have drawn as a two big circles. When compared to the distance, these two are a size is more. So now I can't treat these two are a point charges. Clear? Point charges means what? Whenever compared to the distance, size is very small, then it is said to be a point charge. Clear? So now all charge content of the body is assumed to be concentrate at one point. So now ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಅಂತ treat ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So whatever the charge is on that body is treated as a point charge. Clear? So now in space, the properties of charges, very, very important topic here. We are discussing for the exam as properties of charges. So what are the properties of charges we have? We have mainly three properties of charge. So we have three properties of charge. So what are the three properties? One is charge is additive. Charge is additive. So next is charge is quantized. Charge is conserved. So we have a three properties. We have three properties of charges. One is charge is additive, one is charge is conserved, one is charge is right. We have three properties, very, very, very important for your exam purpose. Definitely they will ask in exam. Okay. What are the properties of charges? You have to say it as three properties, that is charge is additive, charge is quantized, charge is conserved. So first we'll discuss what is charge is additive. So the first thing is charge is additive means, suppose if I just take it on a system. So on the system we have a number of positive charges, right? Number of negative charges. So total number of individual charges which are present on the body is I am taking as Q1, Q2, Q3, etc. Right? On negative charges, I have to mention it as sign negative Q. Clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾಪ?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು? ಒಂದು ಅನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ and the negative charges are also there. So total charges over this body as totally 5. The first charge I am mentioning Q1 and second charge Q2, third Q3 and fourth Q4 and fifth is 5. So total charge we have to, so what is the total charge on this body? Total charge on the body is Q is equals to algebraic sum of the charges which are present on the body is called charge is additive. Clear? Total charge on the body is equal to the algebraic sum of the individual charges. Individual charges ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇದಾವೆ? Q1 plus Q2. ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದಾವೆ, so plus Q1 plus Q2. Negative charges are there, minus Q3 minus Q4 minus Q5.
Minus.
Clear? So I can't able to write it in a phone clearly. So please understand it. Understood what I have explained?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is charge is additive? Total charge on any body is equal to, here Q, what I have mentioned, Q equals to, that is a total charge on body is equal to algebraic sum of the individual charges which is present on the body. Individual charges ಏನಿದಾವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಸೊ Q1 plus Q2 plus minus 1 Q3 minus Q4 minus Q5. Minus sign indicates what? Negative charge is also present on that body. Clear?
Ma'am.
Yes? I think you have a
Yes,
next class. It's time up. Not it. Okay, I'll continue in the next class. Understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
total Q is equals to, I can write it what? Summation Qi, where I is equals to 1 to n. That is total weight, total charge on a body, that is Q is equals to what? Summation I equals to 1 to n Qi. Right? Understood? So this it is said to be as charge is additive. Clear? Clear till here? Okay,
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
stop today here
Yes,
only.
ma'am.
We'll discuss in the next class. I think hope you all understood today's session. Okay, see you later. Bye bye. Okay, see you all.
Bye, ma'am.
See you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
See you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.